J-Tiger in Thailand. All right. We got us another little bad motor scooter. Got an aftermarket pipe on there. Got some billet handlebars. Now, I've never seen pink brake fluid, but apparently looks like it's run a little fat. Maybe wore out. You know, they don't fix anything. Oh wow, hey, check it out. Got a little oil on the chain. And let's see. Oh, 125. Got some nice clip-on bars there. And let's see. Oh, Yoshimura. Wow. Alrighty. Thanks for following my videos, and stay tuned for the full moon party later tonight.